Brightness, good morning.
My country people, I greet everybody. This is the voice of your homeboy, Prince Dr. Ogironyi Brightness. Now maybe the MD CEO and the chief inventor of all Brightness Electronics Company products.
So tell us, your company, what is it they produce now? Any discount day for what they produce? They tell us again your automatic changeover device, how you be.
Yes, you see, my country people, I want to let everybody know, say, even when we did this trying period of this coronavirus pandemic, we still try our best to maintain the sales of our products at a reduced price. Although we not go deceive now because the price of the things where we some of the materials where we import, like the solar panel, where they tell Nigerians before, say, we designed for China before the outbreak of coronavirus, based on the research work and study where we do concerning Nigerian weather. All those solar panels now, it don't they finish. So I want to let you know, say, now we be say everybody they house, they say stock up. You they they put things for house, and they still experience this epileptic power supply. You get where you go one vegetable soup rich, oh, my country people, you go turn to agbo. So that's why they let you know, say, una need Brightness power solution, so that your freezer go they work, so that your fridge go they work, so that not be the one way be say every day you go they warm your soup. By the time you talk about that, say, you get where you go they warm vegetable soup rich, you go turn to agbo. That's why you need Brightness power solutions. So I want to let you know, say, if you want to buy our product, if you deposit a minimum of 50,000, we go allow you to pay small within 4 months. But when you pay finish, you can't carry. The advantage of that one be say, even when promo don't end and the same promo discounted price, you go take buy them. Then once you let Nigerians know, say, as for those who want the user at the same time they pay, that one a higher purchase, if they are available, you pay 60% of the normal price, not the promo price. Oh. Then you will be say you don't fair they use the product, you want to return and you upgrade to wait to go carry more electronics like freezer, AC or ball. As long as the former one our product, you can trade it in. So I want to let Nigerians know, say, the automatic changeover device now something where be say the automatic changeover device now something where be say once they bring your NEPA light or public power, either for afternoon or midnight when you don't sleep, it go help you off the generator effortlessly, carry you go national grid. So you never need to wake up from sleep, go the off gen, so they bring NEPA light. Or maybe you buy the Brightness power switch for generator. That one has something to say we go install it for your parlor, bedroom, kitchen, or lobby, anywhere where you like. You go that one, you go fit from there on the gen where they outside. You'll still help with the help of the switch off the generator where they outside, without you coming out, especially for this period where we say insecurity challenge is too much.
So tell us the difference between your inverter, battery, solar panel, and solar charge control panel with other one we will see for market.
You see, my country people, the most important advantage of buying anything from Brightness Electronics be say now made in Nigeria product. If you develop fault, my country people bring them back. If you not feel repair, I will give you another one. So may you know, say, your after sales service is guaranteed. Your money where you spend, you not feel lost, because you are doing your business with the company where they produce the product and we deal with you for Nigeria. So I want to let Nigerians they know, say, the difference between our solar panel, for example, people go to talk, say, some of our panel there, oh, now so the one they see for online, now so it cheap, this, that. The truth I want to let Nigerians know be say, solar panel they get grade, solar panel they get different kind of quality. The type where we they sell, and like I talked before, now Oyibo people make them according to the Nigerian weather. The research work where we do. So that's why the one they sell for those who they northern part of Nigeria and the ones who they sell for those who they southern part of Nigeria or middle belt is different. Now different panel. And this panel, you know they drag thunder. We don't enter any season small. You where they use the foreign inverter when thunder blow with the solar panel where you get for your house. You check your conscience whether the thing not spoil your inverter or spoil your electronics. That's why they tell us, say, what would they sell? Even if it's there, that panel will be say the shelf life now 20 to 25 years. So that means in the next 25 years, that's going to give you problem. So, and again, you know they drag thunder. So you don't even need to re-earth that house or they put under arrest. But the inverter, where would they sell? And the solar panel, for example, get 2 years manufacturer warranty. Why inverter, battery, charge controller, those ones get 1 year manufacturer warranty. And I want to let Nigerians know, say, the inverter still get your inbuilt thunder arrestor wey dey inside, but the truth be dey there be say e get number of time while our inverter dey fit dey withstand thunder lightning. So if e be say the solar panel wey you dey use for your house na fake inferior one, you must go put thunder arrestor there, or you go re-earth your house if your earthing of your house don dey fail. Because if you refuse and the thunder finally spoil the inverter, na you wey be the customer go pay for the repair, because that one na external problem. Or maybe you dey live for area where they give you fluctuating voltage, so that your NEPA light go high, sometimes e go low, sometimes e go dey down, up and down. If e spoil the inverter, you no gree put stabilizer for the charging part of the inverter, just know say na you go pay for the repair. So I wan let Nigerians know say, but the most important advantage of it be say the inverter dey carry your fan, TV, AC, borehole, deep freezers, depending on the kV or the size wey you dey buy. So these are some of the striking difference between our product and the ones wey dey market.
Okay, tell us about your brightness alternative booster for Precision. Then your energy bulb wey you know, do for our company. Then the difference between your energy bulb and the one with the market.
Yeah, you see, my country people, the brightness alternator booster na something wey be say e dey fit dey use am take dey power your pressing iron, so that your generator no go dey develop fault. You wey be say you be tailor or you be fashion designer, this brightness alternator booster na compulsory thing for you. Or you get hotel and you get laundry service department, that brightness alternator booster na compulsory thing for you. Or for your house, you know say you dey use pressing iron till dey use generator for house. You see, man, let Nigerians know one truth be say, each time when you dey plug wetin we dey call heat element electrical materials like pressing iron, boiling ring, electric kettle, you dey plug am put for your generator and you no get brightness alternator booster, you go hear that gen dey do this grrrr dragging adjusting sound. But if the gen na all those big time wey dey use for bank or hotel, those big gen, you no hear the sound, but the feedback effect go still dey go dey meet that generator. And I wan let you know say that's why some people now they will get generator, because they use all those heat element electrical material on the gen. With time your generator no go even fit dey carry deep freezer, e go come dey struggle. So with time your generator no go even fit dey carry borehole, e go dey struggle. So that the gen no go even fit carry your AC again. And that one na gen be say the time when you buy am, e dey carry borehole, dey carry your freezer. But because you dey use your heat element material without that brightness alternator booster, you go come dey affect the strength of the gen. So I wan let you know say the difference between this brightness alternator booster be say e dey minimize the surge, not be say e dey remove all the noise wey your gen dey make comot, say because you buy the booster your gen go turn noiseless or soundproof. No, e dey reduce the surge. Half of the surge dey come the booster, half dey go the gen. Na so they prolong the life of generator when you dey use am with the pressing iron. Then you dey ask us about the energy bulb. I let Nigerians know say the brightest LED energy super saving bulb na bulb wey dey come as 5 watt and 12 watt. The 5 watt brightest energy LED saving bulb e shine light pass the normal 18 watt energy bulb wey dey market, or the 12 watt brightest energy saving bulb e shine light pass the normal 40 watt energy bulb or 100 watt incandescent bulb wey dey market. So I wan let am know say the advantage of the bulb be say, if you dey use am with prepaid meter, because na 5 watt e dey be, just imagine say you get 10, that's 50 watt, e go reduce this your rate wey your analog meter or your prepaid meter card take dey finish. Then the analog meter go reduce the way that take dey give you bill. Or you dey use am with your solar panel and inverter battery, e go reduce the rate wey your battery take dey drain. Or if you dey use am for your surrounding light and fence light, e go still reduce the rate wey your diesel and generator fuel take dey finish for your generator.
You still get a training program, and then tell us where your office dey and your phone number, and then
yes, you see, Brightness Electronics Company, we not just dey train people. By God's grace, we don't still employ the ones who will still train as our power reach. If you want to learn how to make wetin we dey sell, come Brightness Electronics Company. When you come, the engineers they go explain all the training program to you. Now you go choose the one way you like. But if now the inverter you say you want to learn how to build, the one way you go build at the end of the day, we go give you. Make you go show your papa or your mama or your sponsor, say, see what you do with your hand for Brightness Electronics. But the truth be say, if you not sabi read and write, not come, because we go teach you with English, you go write exam, we go want assess you, make we know say you understand the theory first before you go also join on for the first time, so that you may not go put fire for person. So we want ascertain whether the theory wey dem don teach you, you know am before you go begin to go into the practical fully. So I want let Nigerians know say Brothers Electronics Company dey number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road near UBTH for Ugbowo, Benin City. Number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road near UBTH for Ugbowo, Benin City. We dey open our office only Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday only from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening, because we dey use our Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday take dey manufacture wetin we dey sell and take dey store for other people based on our staff strength. If you wan call us for phone, our phone number na 080-894-62794. Make I repeat am: 080-894-62794. Our MTN number na 080-3581-5348. Make I repeat am: 080-3581-5348. Or you can search www.brightestelectronics.com or type videos of brightness for YouTube. You go see wetin we dey do over the years. My country people, una do.